Hello from Slovenia again. Today I prepared myself because I want to do a bloom technique, not a bloom, because I'm pretty sure that it will not turn out as bloom. And use my hair dryer to see if I can maybe get some nice lacing, because you know that I have problems with blowing part. So I will use this autumn leaf primary elements, and I will add some PearlEx pigments, iridescent gold, and Carmine, I don't know what is the right word, primary elements, and Amsterdam permanent red violet, and cell activator. I'll just pop these air bubbles. Okay, and then blow this out. Probably it will be total disaster, but let's try. Yes, as I thought, because my hair dryer is just too big probably for this, so I have to blow this out real quick. As I thought. Total disaster. Love the colors, but since I did totally awful job with this blowing part, I didn't get the result that I was hoping for. But I really love those colors together and the shimmer and everything. So let's put this one aside and scrape this off a little bit. And I will try to do another one because I really love the colors, and I will grab just this little 6 by 6 inch. Maybe I add too much base paint, I don't know. You know how that I don't know how to do this exactly, so I will do the same and blow it out. Iridescent gold and some. This Carmen is just gorgeous. Maybe a little less of this cell activator, and I will just blow this out this time. Let's wait a second. Oh, the colors are just stunning. I love them. I don't know if there is enough below here. And I dripped, of course. I wouldn't be myself if I wouldn't mess something up. I will just move the first painting because I kind of like it. Just that I will not split my paint on it. Yeah, and I have to say that I like that one. Maybe I would love to have a little more of this red, but otherwise I'm quite happy. I'll just grab some of this paint here. I think that it looks quite nice. I don't like this white here, but I will not be able to get rid of this probably. I will leave it like it is. Oh, I just messed up the other one. Just have to add a little paint here. Just pour a little of this red and blue. Okay. Learning. But I think that I'm getting a little better with this bloom technique. What do you say? Because I did get this lacing all around. Still need to make sure that I don't blow too hard so that I would not get this, and this is our first one. Doesn't look so bad. I have to say that I will try to show you the shimmer if I can. Probably you don't see it, but it's beautiful shimmer on those. So I'm happy with both of them. Kind of like this middle, that it was so weird when I blow it out. I did get some weird things happening here. I hope that everything will be okay, you see? Because my pillow paint come on top probably of the other paints. But still, and here too, oh my god. Maybe I will have to put like those colors together, I really do. So, another try to do a bloom. Half successful. I did get nice lacing and everything, but still have room to improve. A lot of room to improve. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.